co-founders and CEO of Lifemote, where we're fixing home Wi-Fi using AI. So, I don't have to tell you, probably, that over 58% of European homes have access to 100 megabits or more of broadband internet speed. What I feel I should tell you, though, is based on data that we've collected across an array of countries, we found that even this 100 megabits per second cannot be accessed by more than 40% of the time people are at home. This is if they have the latest and greatest 4x4 11AC gateway. If they have anything older, this number plummets. What we do is to allow you to own your home Wi-Fi. We do this by finding and helping you fix the problems in each home using cloud analytics. So your customers are going to call you twice per year. About half of that is going to be to complain about connectivity, which these days really means Wi-Fi. A Wi-Fi call is this brutal half-hour affair, and people just run out of options and either ship out a tech or ship out a new device. We found that 80% or more of devices shipped out to the field as replacements, those are not broken. The things that are coming back, those devices are fine. Deploying more hardware isn't enough by itself. Home Wi-Fi is a service. It is no longer a fixed final product that you ship out to the field. You need to deploy the right hardware in the right places, and you need to keep it configured correctly. Service, not product. What we do is we gather granular, per-minute data from all the gateways in the field, along with secondary information like from the call center or from user self-care apps where they're available. We bring this all up into the cloud, where our analytics chomps through all the data every day, and shows you the insights you need to fix the problems in each home. Let me break it down for you. We deliver value in 3 verticals. The first is our analytics fix things in software. What can't be fixed in software or by the user themselves via a self-care app, we do automatically. Then, if we can't fix it like this, we push insights to the customer experience management within your own organizations. It goes by many names, but what they're trying to do is fix stuff through proactive network maintenance and through proactive upsell. This way, you can reduce calls before they come in. You can smartly position your new devices, and you can reach for that elusive high net promoter score through uninterrupted QoE. Before people complain, fix the problem before anybody complains. If you can't do this, some stuff will fall through the cracks. Then we show the person answering the query, who's on the phone, what's wrong in the home, so they don't have to tell people to go jack into a modem. They don't have to go buy the modem with their phone, look on YouTube, whatever. This reduces calls. This reduces calls because 30% of people calling about connectivity will call again within the same month. Their problem was not fixed on the first call. So you'll end up dispatching texts, you'll end up sending devices. We reduce all that. The magic here is through an iterative system that is actually supervised by your own users via self-care or by your call center. When we say something, this home has this problem, let's do this fix. This can be supervised by people actually answering the phone. So if we say this person has this problem and they call to complain about something else, this information flows back into our system so that stuff that works actually gets projected onto the entire population. We go really fast in the field. We have this really light touch agent that goes on the gateways. So this does a minimal intrusion on your gateways. Everybody hates modifying software and gateways. We do very little of that. We can deploy with existing mechanisms like TR69. We have a really light system that only collects data by bypassing the modem software entirely and talking directly to the chipset drivers and Linux. We get all the information we need, we send it up to the cloud where the magic happens. The term AI gets tossed around a lot, so I'm going to give you some concrete examples about how we do the things we do. One example is this, frequency selection. This, what you see up here, is a 300-unit apartment building in a downtown area. Little red dots are homes. The lines connecting them indicate interference. The longer the line, the less they interfere. 300 people using Wi-Fi at the same time it's very hard to make a copy, right? Because there's only so much frequency to go around. What we do is learn people's usage behaviors so that we figure out who's a night owl, who's going to be using in the morning, stuff like this, and we find the optimal frequency allocation that minimizes the probability that people will be using Wi-Fi at the same time if they can hear each other. Then, this gnarly mess simplifies to that, which is much more manageable. Another way we use AI is to actually learn gateways. So gateways differ a lot. I have 6 different hardwares from 5 different vendors up here. Different chipsets, different RF, different everything. Data coming from these devices is not apples to apples, believe me, it looks nothing like each other. Our system normalizes this data so that data coming from each of these devices become apples to apples. You can actually address problems in each of them. We actually went past the 100,000 home mark earlier this year, and we're going strong towards 1 million homes. Our initial contact point was Norway, where we're deploying a bunch of smaller operators and moving to larger ones with field trials. We're also reaching into Finland now, and we're already pretty strong in our home base in Turkey. In the first year that we were deploying with our pilot customers, we reduced total calls by 10%. I say we reduced because they weren't doing really anything else. This is without the new fancy stuff that I'm about to show you. So I believe this number is going to be much higher the second year. We already have a ready product that's working in people's call centers for first responders, for escalation specialists, looking at our analytics and verifying our conclusions, for proactive maintenance, proactive network maintenance people who can actually run queries like, show me the houses that are suffering from these problems, these combinations of problems. And then, of course, proactive upsell people who can tell, okay, show me the homes that have coverage problems, congested Wi-Fi, more than 7 people using it at the same time, and who've actually downloaded more than X amount of data. These are the homes that get mesh, those are the homes that get repeaters, those are the homes that get better gateways, those are the homes that get faster broadband. We can give you a QoE snapshot of your population extremely quickly. It can tell you exactly what the distribution of problems are in your network. We work super fast. We have no integration you have to do. This is not a project. You can try this right away. At the end of month 1, we can give you a snapshot based on 1,000 devices, your devices in the field. The stuff I just showed you. The rest of that stuff that I just showed you can be live in 3 months in your population. This is all thanks to our really soft touch on the agent, right? This stuff is ready in the cloud. We just need to start touching your devices. I'd really like to talk to you more about this because, like I said, you can be trying this next month. Thank you.